In the future, instead of always braising the ribs you bought, you can try steaming them with Beancurd Sticks. You'll get tender and flavorful ribs with a very simple method. When using fresh ribs like this, remember not to blanch them. After chopping them up, add a handful of flour and pour a bowl of water. Then wash and rinse repeatedly for 2 minutes to remove blood and impurities by utilizing the absorbent property of the flour. Add minced garlic, ginger, chopped scallions, and fermented black beans in the bowl. Stir-fry in hot oil to release the aroma and season with a spoon of light soy sauce, some oyster sauce, half a spoon of salt, and a spoon of sugar. Mix well and pour over the cleaned ribs. Add soaked shiitake mushrooms and a spoon of starch. Marinate for 10 minutes. Line the bottom of a bowl with beancurd sticks. Place the marinated ribs on top. Steam over high heat for 25 minutes until cooked. Finally, sprinkle with chopped scallions before serving. These steamed ribs turn out tender and delicious, loved by both adults and kids.